Now introducing Z1 Audio's HiFi package for your D41 Nissan Frontier. If you're just wanting to go full out, get everything all at once without having to upgrade down the road, Z1 Audio's HiFi package is the package you're looking for. This will deliver not only upgraded door speakers, integrated wiring harnesses, powerful subwoofer in a custom enclosure, all in one, so you can choose from the base coaxial speakers or the upgraded components to give you the better highs and mids. We're gonna provide you with the same subwoofer box and enclosure that comes with our base package to deliver the low-end driving bass sound. Between the two packages, upgraded sound system, all together provides you with an all-around, full encompassing sound. If you're looking to upgrade the overall sound quality and overall audio performance of your Nissan Frontier, go on to Z1offroad.com. You'll shop all three packages: bass package, speaker package, HiFi package. Shop Z1 Audio at Z1offroad.com today.